Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today's new tip is the Great AI Summary, now available within your command contacts. This is a tool that will actually scan all the most important events within that contact's timeline and give you a clear picture so that you can take action more effectively with your contacts. Let's go ahead and take a look at what it looks like. You'll need to click on your Contacts tab and then just click into one of the contact profiles by clicking on their name. Over here underneath the timeline tab, you'll see the AI summary right here at the top. So what this has done, it's scanned the notes on this contact, also any logged activities like emails, text, calls, meetings, things like that, and also this contact's engagement on your MyKW app and your KW site. It collects all that data and will make this summary for you right here. One thing it does not take into consideration is if you have your Gmail account linked to your command so that those particular emails sent directly through your Gmail account will populate in the timeline, the AI bot does not collect data from those particular emails at this time. So, just one little caveat there. And once this first summary is generated, the AI bot will update that summary once five more timeline events have been logged within about 90 days of each other. So you may see an update after that time period. It's good also to make sure you click this thumbs up or thumbs down so that the AI bot learns to be more accurate with its summaries. If a contact has not had at least those five timeline events within 1 year to generate the first initial summary, then you would see something like this. Let's go back to a contact that does not have enough items, and you will see this over here on the right, just letting you know there's not enough relevant events to generate that first initial summary. However, again, once that contact has at least the five timeline events in the first year or within the last year of that contact being in your command, then it will generate that first summary for you. If you have any questions about this or anything to do with your KW platforms, feel free to reach out to us via email. It's support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.